Long ago, there was a great king who ruled a peaceful kingdom.
Our kingdom is safe and beautiful.
May peace stay with us forever.
Run! A lion is coming! Someone call the king!
But one day, a dangerous lion frightened everyone.
Listen, my people, whoever catches the lion alive, without hurting it,
Father, please make sure the lion is not
The
injured.
brave person must catch the lion with kindness and wisdom.
I will catch the lion easily. No, I am the strongest. The reward will be mine.
That lion has no chance against us.
Hi everyone, today I'm here to show you how you can create 3D cartoon animation step by step. If you get benefit from this video, please like it, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel to not miss the next video about creating other type of storytelling videos. Now let's get started. First, just search for ChatGPT. Open it. First of all, we have to create a story. For example, I create the story. That's a prompt for the story. Copy it and paste it in ChatGPT. The prompt is very simple and it is with a broken English, but ChatGPT can understand. Create a story of the king asked to hunt a lion without any injury, and the king offers his daughter as reward. All strong young men gather to catch the lion. There is a weak but brilliant young man. The prompt and the story I provide in the description of the video. Now just send prompt. Yes. You see, it's the story. That is the story. The clever hunter and the lion. Okay. Now copy the story. Open, paste it in a Word document. That is the story. ChatGPT created the story based on my idea. Okay. Now I can ask ChatGPT, please convert the story to the required scenes to animate it by Gemini. Scene must have conversation. Each scene must have the 3D cartoon. The characters 3D cartoon style. Please, no image, just the scene. You see, I asked it, ChatGPT, please convert the story to the required scenes to animate it by Gemini. Also, each scene must have conversation. Each scene must have the 3D cartoon style. The characters must remain consistent. Please, no image, just the scene. You see, directly it created the characters, animation style. That is the style. King Arman, the name of king is Arman. Princess Lana. Caro, the clever young man. Strong young man, 5 strong young men, and the lion. These characters must remain consistent. Now, copy it, paste it into Word document. Okay. Now, open Google Gemini. Open it. Click videos. Just what should I do? Gemini, select video, okay. Select this text. All the text, select it. Control C, paste it to Google Gemini. At the end, write generate scene 1. Enter. Now scene 1 is generated, you see?
Your Majesty! Majesty, the lion is frightening everyone.
This danger must end, but the lion must not be killed.
Father, we need someone brave and wise.
That is the scene 1. For generating scene 2, just write generate scene 2. Great. Scene 2 is generated. Let's see.
People of my kingdom, listen carefully.
Whoever catches the lion without hurting it,
I will only a great reward.
He will only accept man, your majesty.
Okay. Now you can download the scenes from this one. Downloading video. Right click. New folder. The Hunter, for example. Open it. Write scene 1. Okay. Download this one also. Downloading video. Scene 2. Okay. Until the end, download all the scenes. Then you can open an edit app like CapCut, Camtasia, Clipchamp. For example, I open Camtasia. Now, for example, I downloaded or created all the scenes. Then from import, bring all the scenes. For example, I have this. For example, I have these 4 scenes. Open. Okay. It's not a complete story. You can complete it. Bring it to here. Okay.
Long ago,
Great. For this one, to combine them perfectly, create, double click here, then from audio effect, bring this one, good, this one, create a break, another break, okay, let's see. Now to fix this breakers to look smooth, bring this one, insert the break, double click on the sound, yes, okay, now it must look smooth,
forever.
run!
okay, again from here, good, for this one,
Listen, my people.
go, okay, this one also, do it for all the scenes, okay,
I will catch the lion easily.
okay. That's the way to create cartoon 3D animation. If you want to learn to create other types of storytelling videos, subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment to not miss the next tutorials. That's all. Have a nice day.